Get ready to supercharge your ride without draining your wallet. In today's video, we're revealing 20 mind-blowing Amazon car gadgets with up to 50% off this Black Friday. From futuristic tech upgrades to smart must-haves that redefine convenience, these deals are too good to miss. Stay tuned till the end. Your car and your wallet will thank you for it. Number 1. Nulaxi 54-4 Port Car. Charger adapter was $47, now $42.21, 10% off. Keep everyone's devices powered up on the go with the Nulaxi 54-watt 4-port car charger adapter. It supports Quick Charge 3.0, letting you fuel multiple gadgets at once without overheating or slowing down. The sleek aluminum finish looks premium while ensuring durability and heat resistance. Perfect for road trips and daily commutes. It's compact, efficient, and now 10% off this Black Friday, giving you more power for less. Number 2. Viofo A229 Plus Dual Dash Cam was $250, now $190, 24% off. Record every moment in sharp 2K clarity with the Viofo A229 Plus Dual Dash Cam. With front and rear cameras, built-in GPS, and Wi-Fi connectivity, this sleek unit captures day and night footage effortlessly. Its Sony StarVise sensors ensure crystal clear video even in low light, offering next-level security and peace of mind. Right now, it's an unbeatable deal. 24% off this Black Friday, making it the perfect car upgrade. Number 3. Bayati Naturnest 2P Rooftop Tent was $1,299, now $1,199, 8% off. Turn your car into a mobile campsite with the Bayati Naturnest 2-person rooftop tent. It sets up in seconds with its hydraulic lift system and offers comfort with a soft mattress, mesh windows, and weatherproof design. Built tough for outdoor explorers, it keeps you dry and cozy no matter the terrain. This Black Friday, you can score this premium tent at 8% off. Perfect for your next adventure under the stars. Number 4. Tekonsha 90,160 Trailer Brake Controller was $102, now $89, 12% off. Take full control while towing with the Tekonsha 90,160 Trailer Brake Controller. Its proportional braking system ensures smooth stops, adjusting automatically to match your vehicle's speed and braking intensity. The easy-to-read LED screen and push-button settings make it simple to use for RVs, boats, or trailers. Built for safety and reliability, it's now 12% off this Black Friday, the perfect time to upgrade your towing setup. Number 5. Southwest Wheel 7,000-pound trailer brake kit was $290, now $235, 19% off. Ensure powerful and balanced braking with the Southwest Wheel 11,000-pound trailer brake kit. Made from galvanized steel for durability and rust resistance, this heavy-duty system provides consistent stopping power even on long hauls. It's pre-assembled for easy installation and built to last through tough towing conditions. Take advantage of this Black Friday's 19% discount, a smart deal for anyone looking to upgrade trailer safety and performance. Number 6. Xprite UTV LED Side Mirrors with Lights was $120, now $110, 8% off. Upgrade your off-road adventures with the Xprite UTV LED Side Mirrors with Lights. These rugged, weatherproof mirrors feature bright LED pods that illuminate your trail for better nighttime visibility. Designed with adjustable angles and a strong aluminum build, they're both functional and stylish. Ideal for Polaris, Can-Am, and Yamaha rides, these mirrors are now 8% off this Black Friday, combining safety, lighting, and sleek design in one great deal. Number 7. Smitty Built X 2010K electric winch was $670, now $568, 15% off. Tackle any off-road recovery with confidence using the Smittybilt X 10,000-pound electric winch. It's fully waterproof, equipped with a synthetic rope, and powered by a strong 6.6 horsepower motor for maximum pulling strength. The wireless remote offers hands-free control during tough rescues. Built for reliability and adventure, it's now 15% off this Black Friday, an unbeatable deal for serious off-roaders who need power and performance. Number 8. PLZ 7-inch wireless car stereo CarPlay was $136, now $129, 5% off. Give your dashboard a modern makeover with the PLZ 7-inch wireless car stereo featuring Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. With Bluetooth connectivity, voice control, and a bright touchscreen, you'll enjoy safer, smarter, and more connected drives. It even supports a backup camera for added convenience. Easy to install and stylishly designed, this Black Friday deal cuts 5% off the price. The perfect time to upgrade your ride's tech game. Number 9. Cobra RAD 4 80 Eyes Laser Radar Detector was $150, now $137, 9% off. Drive smarter and stay alert with the Cobra RAD 4 80i Laser Radar Detector. It offers long-range detection and advanced false alert filtering, keeping you informed without distractions. Pair it with the iRadar app for real-time updates on speed traps and road hazards. The compact OLED display ensures clear visuals on every drive. This Black Friday, enjoy a 9% discount, a small price cut for big peace of mind on the road. Number 10. OneMe B06 Pro Bluetooth Audio Receiver was $40, now $37, 8% off. Transform your car's sound system with the OneMe B06 Pro Bluetooth Audio Receiver. It streams high-quality audio from your phone or tablet, turning any old stereo into a wireless hub. With a strong signal range and automatic reconnection, your favorite tunes are always ready. Compact, clear, and effortless to use, it's the perfect mini upgrade for your ride. Grab it this Black Friday at 8% off. Music lovers, don't miss. Number 11. Noco Genius 16V 12-volt battery charger was $40, now $30, 25% off. Never get stranded again with the Noco Genius One battery charger. Designed for 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, it automatically detects battery type and optimizes the charge for cars, motorcycles, boats, and more. Compact yet powerful, it also functions as a battery maintainer and desulfator, extending your battery's lifespan. This Black Friday, it's an absolute steal at 25% off. Reliable performance at a price that's hard to beat. Number 12. Hoxie 9-inch Apple CarPlay Dash Cam was $170, now $108, 36% off. Upgrade your drive with the Hoxie 9-inch Apple CarPlay Dash Cam. It combines a high-resolution dash camera with full CarPlay functionality, letting you navigate, stream music, and answer calls hands-free. The large display provides clear visuals, while the loop recording feature ensures continuous footage. Easy to install and sleek in design, it's perfect for modern drivers. Snag this advanced tech at 36% off this Black Friday, a deal that's tough to ignore. Number 13. Boscom IF740 OBD 2-car scanner was $190, now $133, 30% off. Diagnose your car like a pro with the Boscom IF740 OBD 2-car scanner. It reads error codes, tracks performance, and provides detailed diagnostics for both beginners and mechanics. The bright touchscreen interface makes it easy to navigate, while lifetime free updates keep your software current. Compact, durable, and incredibly accurate, it's the ultimate garage companion. Get this smart diagnostic tool for 30% off this Black Friday. Precision and savings rolled into one. Number 14. AweSafe Android Car Stereo for Jeep 7-inch was $128, now $120, 6% off. Bring a tech boost to your Jeep with the AweSafe 7-inch Android Car Stereo. It delivers smooth touchscreen performance, GPS navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, and seamless phone integration. The built-in Wi-Fi and reverse camera support make it a complete infotainment upgrade. Designed specifically for Jeep models, it fits perfectly and adds a premium touch. Don't miss out. This Black Friday, it's available at 6% off, giving your dashboard a smarter, sleeker look. Number 15. Imden Bluetooth FM Transmitter Dual USB was $24, now $14.39, 40% off. Stream your favorite music wirelessly with the Imden Bluetooth FM transmitter. Featuring dual USB ports for fast charging, it lets you play music from your phone straight through your car's speakers. The LED display shows frequency and voltage, and built-in noise suppression ensures crystal clear sound. Perfect for any older vehicle without Bluetooth. It's super easy to use. Grab it now at 40% off this Black Friday. An incredible deal for under $15. Number 16. Wolfbox G840S 12-inch mirror dash cam was $170, now $120, 29% off. Experience next-level visibility with the Wolfbox G840S 12-inch mirror dash cam. This sleek rear-view mirror upgrade features a wide-angle front and rear camera setup that records in crisp full HD detail. The touchscreen interface is smooth and intuitive, offering easy access to footage and parking assistance built for safety and style. It's perfect for any car. This Black Friday, you can grab it for 29% off. Premium protection at an unbeatable price. Number 17. Red Tiger 4K front rear dash cam was $150, now $86, 43% off. Capture every detail of your drive with the Red Tiger 4K front and rear dash cam. It offers ultra-clear video resolution, night vision, and loop recording for full-time security on the road. The built-in Wi-Fi lets you review footage instantly from your smartphone, while the wide-angle lens ensures complete coverage. Reliable, easy to install, and stylish, it's now 43% off this Black Friday, a massive discount for serious driving peace of mind. Number 18. Aventry Road Trip Bluetooth car speaker was $70, now $65, 7% off. Enjoy hands-free calls and high-quality sound with the Aventry Road Trip Bluetooth car speaker. It clips neatly to your sun visor and automatically connects to your phone when you start your car. With powerful dual speakers and noise reduction, it delivers crystal-clear audio for both calls and music. Long battery life makes it perfect for road trips or daily commutes. Take advantage of 7% off this Black Friday and make your drives smarter and safer. Number 19. Install Gear 4G Subwoofer Amp Wiring Kit was $35, now $29, 17% off. Get your audio setup ready with the Install Gear 4Gauge Subwoofer Amp Wiring Kit. It includes everything you need for clean, reliable power delivery to your amp or subwoofer. The flexible copper wire ensures top sound quality and minimal distortion, while the durable insulation protects against heat and wear. Easy to install and built to last, this kit is perfect for car audio enthusiasts. Score it this Black Friday at 17% off. Quality wiring for less. Number 20. Pioneer TSWX010A underseat subwoofer was $200, now $165, 17% off. Feel the bass without losing space with the Pioneer TSWX010A underseat subwoofer. Compact yet powerful, it fits easily under most car seats while delivering deep, punchy sound that transforms your music. The built-in amplifier ensures rich performance, and the wired remote lets you adjust bass levels effortlessly. Ideal for clean, hidden installations. It's the perfect upgrade for any ride. Grab it this Black Friday at 17% off and enjoy big sound for less. Don't miss these 50% off 20 Black Friday Amazon car gadget deals. They're selling fast. Upgrade your ride, save big, and drive smarter this season. Tap the link and grab your favorite deal before it's gone.